Hey, before we start today, I want to ask you something a little uncomfortable.
Oh, wow, we're starting deep already. I'm nervous. Go ahead.
How many times did you want to say something in English? The sentence was ready in your head, but you stayed completely silent because you thought, what will they think of me?
Oof, that question hits. If you're listening right now and you felt that in your stomach, pause for 1 second. That's not just you. That's almost everyone.
Yes, maybe your heart started beating faster. Maybe you checked your sentence 10 times in your mind. Maybe you imagined people judging your accent, your grammar, your ideas.
And then you smiled, you nodded, you pretended everything was fine.
But inside, you were screaming, I want to talk. I have something to say.
And later, on the bus, in your bed, in the shower, you replay the moment like a movie.
And suddenly, you give the perfect speech to the shampoo bottle.
The shampoo bottle always gets the best version of us.
If this is you, do not go anywhere. This conversation is exactly for you.
Today, we're talking about why you care so much about what people think and how to slowly, gently, powerfully stop.
And while you listen, I want you to do something brave. Think of one recent moment when you held back your English because of fear.
Keep that moment in your mind, because by the end of this episode, that memory might mean something completely different.
And quick question for you. Where do you care the most about what people think? In class, at work, with native speakers, online? Tell us in the comments. Be honest. When does the fear hit hardest?
And are you more like me, who feels the fear but speaks anyway? Or like me, who makes 10 jokes so nobody notices he's nervous?
Be honest. Team Maya or Team Daniel? Write it below. We read your comments.
Okay, let's go deeper.
This fear didn't start yesterday.
No, it usually starts years ago.
Maybe in school, you answered a question and someone laughed.
For them, it was 1 second.
For you, it became a scar.
And sometimes those moments linger.
Linger means they stay longer than they should, like a smell that doesn't leave the room.
Maybe one sentence still lingers in your mind. You're too quiet. You talk funny. That sounds stupid.
And here's what's scary. That fear doesn't stay in one place.
It starts to seep into other parts of your life.
Seep means it moves slowly through small cracks, like water through a wall.
At first, it's just one classroom memory.
Then suddenly, it's meetings, friendships, social media, relationships.
And every time you have a chance to speak, your body remembers.
Your chest tightens, your thoughts race, you feel anxious.
Anxious is more than nervous. It's your body on high alert.
And then your brain starts to freak out.
Freak out means you suddenly feel, oh no, this is dangerous.
Even if you're just ordering coffee.
So what do?
You shrink back. You make yourself smaller.
Or you hold back.
You stop your words before they come out.
If this sounds like you, I want you to type one word in the comments right now. Seen.
Just seen, because we see you.
And more importantly, you're not broken. You were trained to react like this.
Your brain learned that attention equals danger.
But the truth is, most people are not thinking about you as much as you think.
They're thinking about themselves.
They're wondering if they look weird, if they said something wrong.
You are not the main movie in their head.
You're maybe a 2-second background character.
And that's actually freeing. Next time you feel that invisible spotlight, whisper to yourself in English, I am not the main movie in their head.
Try it this week. Tell us if it changes something.
Now, let's talk about criticism, because sometimes people actually say something hurtful.
Yes, not imagined, real.
Maybe someone criticized your accent.
Maybe your dream.
Maybe your personality.
To criticize means to say something is wrong or bad.
And sometimes feedback helps us grow, but sometimes it's just someone throwing their insecurity at you.
I once had someone say, "You're too sensitive."
Ouch.
It was small for them, huge for me.
And when someone criticizes you, you have two choices.
Keep it,
or brush it off.
Brush off means you let it go, like brushing dust off your shoulder.
I literally do that sometimes. I touch my shoulder and imagine brushing off the comment.
That's powerful. Physical movement makes it real.
Here's something practical. Take one old negative comment and write one sentence in English answering it.
For example, they said my English is bad, but I am improving every day.
When you answer the comment, you stop replaying it and start rewriting it, and that's growth. Now, let's talk about something many people don't realize they're doing.
Performing.
Acting like a version of yourself that feels safe.
The funny one, the quiet one, the agreeable one.
You say yes when you want to say no.
You laugh when it's not funny.
You walk on eggshells.
Walking on eggshells means being extremely careful because you're afraid to upset someone.
But when you walk on eggshells for everyone else, you step on your own heart.
That line always hits me.
If it hit you too, comment, ouch. I want to see who felt that.
The opposite of performing is being authentic.
Authentic means real, true, not fake.
Being authentic doesn't mean being rude.
It means being honest in a kind way.
So this week, try one small authentic sentence.
Actually, I don't agree.
I'm a little nervous.
I need a break.
Small sentences, big shift.
Now, let's destroy one huge lie.
Perfection.
So many people think, I will speak when my English is perfect.
That day will never come.
It's like saying, I'll swim when I already know how.
Confidence doesn't come before action.
It comes because of action.
Confidence is like a muscle.
You build it with reps.
A rep is one repetition, one small, brave action.
Say hi to someone. That's a rep.
Ask one question in English. Rep.
Leave one comment online. Rep.
And yes, it feels uncomfortable.
That's called your comfort zone stretching.
Instead of running away, you can lean into it.
Lean into means moving slightly toward discomfort with curiosity.
Treat conversations like experiments.
Not performances.
Ask after each one, what surprised me?
What went well?
Not, what did I ruin?
That small shift changes everything.
And I want to ask you something important.
If you spoke more freely, if you cared less, what would you actually say?
What ideas are you holding back?
Write one thing in the comments that you wish you could say more confidently in English.
This is your safe space. Talk Easy Daily is built for that.
Yes, here, mistakes are progress.
And progress is powerful.
Before we close, let's do a calm word moment together.
Take a slow breath.
Linger. To stay longer than expected, that memory lingers.
Seep. To move slowly through small spaces. Fear can seep into new situations.
Anxious. Very worried inside.
Freak out. Suddenly feel scared or stressed.
Shrink back. Pull away and make yourself small.
Hold back. Stop yourself from speaking or acting.
Authentic. Real and true.
Walk on eggshells. Be extremely careful to avoid upsetting someone.
Brush off. Let a negative comment go.
Lean into. Move toward discomfort instead of escaping.
You just practiced real English through real emotions.
That's how growth actually happens.
So this week, take one small brave rep.
One sentence, one moment, one step.
And when you do it, come back and tell us.
Seriously, we want to celebrate you.
If this conversation helped you even a little, like this video.
Subscribe to Talk Easy Daily for more real English conversations like this.
And share this with someone who needs courage today.
Remember, the goal isn't perfection.
It's progress.
It's showing up.
It's caring a little less about the invisible crowd.
And a little more about your real voice.
I'm Maya.
I'm Daniel.
And we believe your voice deserves space.
See you in the next episode.